Hi guys, it's Winette and welcome back to my channel. You may be able to tell from the title of the video that today's look will be a dramatic one. Please enjoy this, the first video in my Culturama inspired series. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe and follow me on the social media pages listed in the description box. I began by priming my face with the Rimmel Stay Matte Primer. Today I will be using the blue and pink shades from this palette. I will be creating blue ombre brows using a light blue and dark blue shadow from this palette. In order to create a sticky base for the shadows, I first fill in my brows with the NYX glitter glue. I am using a small angled brush to do so. I spread the glue throughout my brows, ensuring to coat my hairs so that they are camouflaged when the eyeshadows are applied. To apply the shadows, I use a flat shadow brush. I begin by applying shadow to the outermost part of my brow, slowly building up the darker blue shadow as I move inward. I ensure that the areas coated with the glue are covered by the shadow. Next, I apply the lighter blue shadow using the same brush and following the same technique. I add shadow until I have created an ombre brow. In order to shape or carve out my brow, I am using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Fawn. I use a small brush to apply concealer and outline under my brow. Then I use a fluffy blending brush to blend out the concealer. I also use this brush to prime my lids using the same concealer. In order to help make the shades pop, I am applying a lighter concealer onto my lids and blending it out using my finger. On my lids, I will be using the teal, light blue, and midnight blue shadows from the palette. Using a small fluffy shadow brush, I apply the teal shadow to the inner third of my lid. I am packing on the shadow for maximum color payoff. I then apply the light blue shadow to the center of my lid. I am also packing on that shadow, but at the same time blending it into the teal to create an ombre effect. In my outer corner, I am applying the midnight blue shadow using the same motions used in applying the previous shadows. I then blend out the edges of these shadows using a fluffy blending brush. I am trying not to take the blue shadow too high as I blend. Next, I apply my NYC liquid liner. I am creating a dramatic wing as the look will be a dramatic look, and I will be applying lashes close to the end of the video. I am using my usual technique where I first outline my wing, then fill it in. Now I will be using this light pink shadow as a brow bone highlight. As this look is featuring the eyes and embellishments, I have decided to do my face off camera. To ensure that the shadows pop, I am again applying a light base to my lower lash line. I blend out the base using my finger. Next, I am going to apply this deep pink eyeshadow to my lower lash line. What I have done to one eye, I will do to the other eye. I am also using a white shadow from the same palette as my inner corner highlight. I am applying the shadow with a small detail brush. To deepen my lower lash line, I will be using the small detail brush to apply a deep blue shadow closer to my waterline. I have misplaced my Kohl Kajal pencil, and so I am lining my waterline using the Mega Last pencil in Blackest Black by Wet n Wild. I am lining my top and bottom waterline. Next, I continue to define my eyes by lengthening the wing in my inner corner, which further accentuates my eyes. I then add mascara to my top and bottom lashes. Please note that the application of a second coat is not shown in the video. However, 2 coats of mascara were applied. Next are my lashes. I am waiting for the glue to dry. I then apply my lashes with my fingers, starting with the middle, then the outer corner, then the inner corner. I then repeat the process for my other eye. I add a bit more shadow to smoke out my lower lash line. I then line my lips with my Anko lip and brow pencil in brown. After which I use my MAC lip gloss in Dilly Dazzle. To complete my face, I am using a mixture of rhinestones. The larger rhinestones have adhesive at the back, however the smaller ones I applied using the NYX glitter glue and a dotting tool. I usually use lash glue for this process, however, due to the fact that I would not be wearing this look long, I used the glitter glue instead. I dot the glue onto my forehead and place the rhinestones using a wax applicator. I also place rhinestones on the inner corner and outer corner of my eyes. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's upload. Bye, guys.